This is Ghazala Parveen Ujjan from Government Girls Degree College Block 13. This is second year poem, a speech from As You Like It by William Shakespeare. All the words a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exist and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first the infant, mewling and pucking in the nurse's arms, then the winning schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwilling to school, and then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow, then a soldier, full of strange oaths, and beard like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth, and then the justice, in fair round belly with good capon lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern stances, and so he plays his part. The sixth age shifts into the lean and silvered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, his youthful horse well saved, a world too wide for his shrink, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish terrible pipes, and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange, eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans everything. William Shakespeare was the greatest poet of all time. He belongs to 16th century. Now the meaning of the poem, all the words stage. He gave the philosophy that this whole world is like a stage and all people are here just actors. The difference of their acting is that they have separate ways to come and then to leave this stage. But mainly, he has 7 roles or parts to play in his whole life. In it, the first is of infant. First, the infant in the fourth line. Infant means a toddler, a little one, a born child. What is his condition? He is every time weeping. He is so weak that he depends on his nurse, that there should be anybody who should take care of him. After that, this is the second age, which is of a schoolboy, and he has a bag in his side, and he is moving very slowly, just like he is creeping as a snail creeps. Now, this is the simile used by William Shakespeare, which is a particular quality of the poet, that he used similes and metaphors in poems, though he was a dramatist, but his poems became also like songs, as it is the name of the poem. Mostly his poems, a song. In your first year, you read a song from As You Like It. So this is a song like in the drama. Now we will go through further. What is his third stage? It is of a lover. When he become young, he loves anybody, and what is his condition in that love? He is in very distress. He composes poetry which is of very sadness and which is in the praise of his beloved, mostly about his eyebrows, that how she is so beautiful. Then this is again in other part of the life which is of a soldier, full of strange oaths. As this is a very oldest poem, in those days there were no any particular professions, but people were so strong that they look like soldiers, and their life became so that they were ready to make their aims in which they take strange oaths, and they look, their look was also formal, that they have beard like pard, and they were so quick in quarreling also, that on little matters he was ready to sacrifice his own life or even to kill any other person, seeking the bubble reputation. He wanted to be famous, whether that famousness must be like little time as a bubble, life is that it is. In this way, he was also so that he didn't care of anything else, just he wanted to be famous, even for a little time. And he was ready to take any kind of danger also, whether before him there was a cannon, he was ready to go in its mouth. And then the justice, this is also oldest form, that though in the Shakespeare's time period there were few justice kept by government, so he is giving the example of that time. What was the look of those justices? They were having very witty look, fair round belly with good capon line, with eyes severe. Their look was very harsh, that there was fear in their eyes, and also the formal cut of their beard was kept by them. What was his behavior? He was using so many wise saws, modern instances. He kept himself that he is so wise person among all others. Then now this is again in other role, which is a sixth age. What is condition in that age? It is into the lean and silvered pendulum. He becomes so weak. Whatever was his early time period, he kept so many things, just like good clothes. All those clothes become loose, and he become very weak now. Even that he put a spectacle on his nose, and also keep a pouch, a bag, as his memory is unable to work, so he has to keep all things to memorize his words. Then even to his voice, for his shrink and his big manly voice, it also turned into childishness, that when he talk there are whistles in his voice. Then again is a second childishness. After that is last scene of all. In second, what is in the childhood, child as he was dependent on a nurse. Again, though he is not physically little, he is a man, grown up man physically, he is a big man, but what is his condition? Is it is again a second childishness and mere oblivion. He forget everything. Oblivion means forget. Sans teeth, he is without senses. In oldest word means without. He has no teeth even. He has no eyes even. He has no taste. Sense everything. Even everything is lost. This is again childishness, which a big man, turned into again a childishness. This is a philosophy of William Shakespeare, who gave clearly by examples, by using similes and metaphors. See you again in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.